can taking hormone replacement therapy cause your pets to start transitioning too? That's what dog charity Galgos del Sol claimed in an Instagram post. They shared the case of an adopted puppy who came into season at just 5 months old with her vulva allegedly beginning to resemble testicles. After consulting a veterinary hormone specialist, they traced the cause back to the owner's HRT, writing, "Always kept it away from the pup. The small amount of particles in the air were enough to cause this problem." So is this something that people using HRT aren't being warned about?
What maybe some people with pets don't know is that the chemical structure of the hormones that we have, the sex hormones, chemically they're the same between humans and pets. If you're a human using one of those hormone replacement therapies and your pet is sort of exposed to that chemical, they too can have sort of effects in your pet's body.
In 2023, North Downs specialist referrals diagnosed 5 dogs with secondary exposure to HRT. Hospital director Jerry Poulton added that as HRT prescriptions rise in the UK, so are cases of secondary exposure. He said that transdermal products pose the biggest risk, which Dr. Sandalovsky agrees with.
There's a risk that we might apply a gel, a cream, or a spray to our skin, for example, on our forearm, but then we might go and cuddle our pet, before it's dried, and they might actually lick that area. If you put some hormone replacement therapy gel on your leg and then you go and sit on the sofa and some of that product is actually, also rubbed off onto the sofa, if your pet then sits on the sofa, they could have exposure in that way as well.
So what are the signs that your pet may have been affected?
On the male side, you might see masculinization of a female pet. It might manifest in sort of more aggressive behavior. And then on the female sex hormone side, the mammary tissue development, you might notice weight gain. You might notice behavioral changes, like a female dog sort of suddenly coming into heat when you wouldn't expect them to.
While HRT is safe for humans, it can pose health risks for animals.
If a female dog hasn't been neutered, it could actually cause some problems in their womb, so it could predispose them to quite a serious condition called pyometra. Also, developing pets, so puppies, kittens, the balance of hormones that we and pets go through puberty and development is so delicate and finely tuned that if you suddenly interrupt that with a big dose of a hormone, an exogenous hormone, that could really disrupt development, growth, immunity, cognitive function, and also just small pets in general, because relative to their body size, the dose will be a lot larger.
If somebody suspects their pet may have been exposed, what should they do?
It probably isn't going to be something that you need to panic about. Just speak to your vet as soon as possible and stay calm.